For some reason, you may want to unpublish your Weebly website. So let's see how to do it. Once you log into Weebly account, you will come to this main Weebly account page. In the left side of the screen, you need to select the site if you have more than one site created in Weebly account. Next, you need to click Edit Site on the right side of the screen to enter the site's dashboard. And in the site's dashboard, you need to click the Settings tab in the top bar. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Unpublish Site button in the bottom right of the screen. And again, you need to click the Unpublish button to confirm unpublishing the site in the pop-up window. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.